Oh, good morning, everybody. It's 6:30, and we're gonna pour some concrete today. Oh, need my boots and other boots. Okay. These Keen boots are literally the best kind of boots you can get. These are what they look like. Just badass. Okay. Okay. Beautiful Saturday morning. Awesome day to pour concrete. 6:30 now, and concrete comes at 8 o'clock, I believe. Guess we'll set up for an hour. Ooh, a little bit of dew. Yeah, so it should be a good day. We'll just kind of keep you guys around, update you where we gotta update you guys, and pour some concrete. So we'll see you when we're at the shop. Can I get a large double and a large regular?
Sure, let's see at the window.
Thank you. Oh, there you go.
Double.
Awesome.
And regular.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Also, if you guys are carpenters, I highly suggest this Buck Roof Framing Bible. Just a little pocket reference on roof framing, different kind of roof framing. So you can get it on Amazon, I believe. Anyways, now we'll be going to the site. And we are here. Morning.
Morning.
What's going on?
Ready to roll.
There's your coffee.
Thank you, sir.
How come you're all wet?
Oh, the ground's wet.
You want a chalk line?
Yeah.
How'd you put that on? The felt.
Remember that spray glue that I had?
Mm.
I just used that and I sprayed it on last night.
I'll grab my boots.
Yeah. I
Okay.
gotta run over to the shop and I'm gonna grab a bucket and put some water in it just in case we gotta wash some crap off.
It's pretty packed down.
Yeah. I told it kind of sank a little bit because of the rain, so I told him to bring a little bit more, closer to 2 meters.
Did you?
Yeah.
You called him today?
No, last night. So nervous.
Go. Are you?
Excited? First time on the side.
You're nervous, eh?
Yeah, this will be fun.
What time did you wake up?
Like 5:30.
Did you?
Like I just woke up at that time, so I'm so used to waking up early.
I'll grab my pouch,
Yep.
my boots.
I got new rubs. You see that?
What happened to your old ones? They blew apart, eh?
They have a hole in like the toe. We were working doing the factory job.
And your foot was getting wet.
Exactly. So I was like,
What are those Dunlops?
No, those are Bakitas or Ben. I don't know what the hell they're. They're good. They're like only $135.
Come to my truck.
Yeah.
Really? Oh. You want to hold that, Bubs?
Yeah, sure.
So you're getting the Acubus leather one,
Dude,
eh?
it's so nice.
I told you it was nice.
Cause like what sparked it all is I was working with the our crew that works up north. Are you gonna get one?
Yeah.
Are you actually?
No.
You
If this one blows up, or maybe I'll give this to my apprentice, my first apprentice.
Yeah. Well, it lasted a while though.
I know.
Got my new nail bar.
Yeah, where'd you get that from?
No bag.
I like the color.
The magnet fell out.
How?
I don't know. I was using it because it's a little hammer. See?
I see that, but you actually use it as a hammer.
I was hitting. I was like trying to use it, and the magnet fell out. I wasn't too impressed with that. But.
One sec. Okay.
Yeah, you good?
Yep. Yep. Okay, so that's the pour. Step one's done. Dara's coming in with the mag and cleaning her all up, smoothing her out. But yeah, I think it looks pretty slick. This concrete truck actually mixes the concrete on the truck, so you just have to order a certain amount, but if you don't use it all, you don't pay for it, which is pretty slick. So now we're gonna smooth it all out, and we'll come back to you after that's done. Right, Bubs?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Darrow's got the mag float here. We already kind of passed it over once.
I think we're gonna do maybe 3 passes on this, depending on how it's looking.
And then we're gonna let it sit for a little bit. And we're gonna use the finish float and then edge it. And then
Join it.
cut our joints, put the broom finish on it. And I think that would be it.
Sure.
And tomorrow I'll come and strip all the forms off, and should be good. So I guess the goal of the second pass is just kind of smooth her all out, make her nice. But that's obviously not your finished pass. It's gonna be with that float, with that trowel.
Oh, you already explained it.
Yeah. Anyway, so we'll get back at you on the last pass here. So if you watch, you just want to do smooth action with your arm, right, Bubs?
Sure.
Get it as flat and smooth as possible. So it goes from kind of, not a sloppy finish, but your first pass and your second pass is a lot smoother.
Yeah, as you can see, this is when we're pouring. As you guys probably know, this is when we're pouring just to kind of level it out. And then like this is your second pass to really smooth it out, get all the bubbles and crap out. And then as you can see, there's still lines with the float, and that's when you go back with your finishing trowel and finish all that out and then broom it after, obviously.
We got Dar here edging.
Sure.
It's a little bit too soft, but we're gonna do one edge, and then once we do the broom finish, we're gonna edge it again just so the edge doesn't have a finish on it. So it's nice and smooth. And yeah, she's coming out pretty good. So you notice how smooth that trowel gets it. So basically we put a border around her already, and we just cut our first joint. This is gonna be our little test one. Then once we kind of get this perfect, we'll cut the rest of the joints and then finish her up. But yeah, so that's how your first mag float's gonna trowel it, and that's kind of how your finished float is gonna float it, right?
Yep.
So we'll get back to you once we finish this section up.
Hey guys, we're back at it. As you can see, concrete's stiffened up a little bit. We still got some surface cream going here, but this is gonna be our finishing process. You see I'm going over it now with the steel trowel, and then we're gonna hit it with the broom after, do our final broom finishes, touch up the joints and everything, and then we'll show you guys the finished product. So we're gonna do a little time lapse of the finishing process. So here we go.
We're just getting the broom finish on it.
Yep.
Then we're gonna come back and edge it, get the perimeters. And so basically, what's your technique there, Dar?
It's pretty standard. Just hold the broom as straight as you can and just kind of pull back, keep it straight.
And that's
you have to just go over a couple times. Can't kind of over. Nice. You're gonna want a nice little. It's a sidewalk walkway. You're gonna want some grip to it, obviously, because it's gonna be slick when it's wet. So if you just pass it a couple times, and you should be set.
Beautiful. Awesome. All right, guys. So as you can see, Ryan's just finishing up the edging. We got the broom finish down, joints. This is our finished product, guys. I think it turned out very, very nice for our first pour. Like I said, we both got concrete experience, but this is our actual first job. So I'm gonna say that this turned out very, very nice considering this is our first job. Ryan just finishing up the edging here. Got the broom finish all done. I say, yeah, I say job well done. What do you say, Ryan?
I think it looks
Yeah. So that's her right there. So hope you guys like this video.
If you guys want to see more videos like this, just comment down below. Do some more handyman videos, and yeah, we'll see you later.